In an era where fuel prices are soaring, e-scooters emerge as an efficient and eco-friendly solution for short-distance travel. These modern iterations of classic childhood scooters, now powered by electric motors, are not just a trend but a practical alternative to traditional transportation, like cars and bicycles. However, it's crucial to note that e-scooter regulations vary depending on your location. So we advise checking local laws and insurance requirements. With this in mind, let's explore the best e-scooter models under $500, balancing quality, performance, and compliance. Our top pick, the Gotrax G4, stands out as a remarkable option, especially for those seeking high-quality features without breaking the bank. We compared it against its predecessors like the XR, XR Ultra, and Elite. And I can confidently say that the Gotrax G4 is not just an upgrade, but a game-changer in the sub-500 category. The Gotrax G4 electric scooter is a big step up from the older XR series. It's stronger and better built, giving you a feeling of safety and lasting a long time. What's really great about it are its 10-inch tires, which are larger than the 8.5-inch ones used before. These bigger tires make the ride smoother, so you can easily go over bumpy roads and uneven paths. Another awesome feature of the G4 is that it can go up to 25 miles on a single charge, as long as the conditions are good. This means you can travel quite far without needing gas, which is not only good for your wallet, but also better for the environment. The big tires also add to this benefit, making your rides more comfortable and fun. Gotrax G4 also have 40, 42, and 45 miles version available, which is of course with higher price tag. The Gotrax G4 electric scooter impressively combines power and convenience, setting a new standard in the e-scooter market. Central to its performance is a robust 500 watts motor. This increase in power enables the G4 to effortlessly navigate urban environments, boasting an ability to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour. This is a significant step up from the 15 miles per hour limit of the earlier XR models, bringing the G4 in line with higher-end, more expensive scooters. The motor's smooth acceleration enhances its suitability for city commuting, making it a reliable choice for daily travel. Additionally, the G4 features a 6.7-inch wide deck, providing ample foot space, which contributes to a comfortable and stable ride. This combination of a powerful motor and a spacious deck ensures that the Gotrax G4 not only moves easily, but also provides a pleasant riding experience, setting it apart as a top contender in the electric scooter market. The G4's battery is another standout feature. Its 36-volt, 10.4 ampere-hour battery offers an impressive range. Gotrax advertises up to 25 miles per charge, and with a 220 weight limit, it can comfortably hit the 15-mile mark at consistent speeds of 15 to 20 miles per hour. The battery life is reliable, but as with all electric scooters, it's affected by riding conditions and rider weight. The digital display on the G4 is a significant upgrade. The wider screen provides clear visibility of speed and battery status. The inclusion of a digital lock requiring a PIN for activation is a thoughtful addition, enhancing security. The up, down, and power buttons are intuitively placed for ease of use. Weighing in at 37 pounds, the G4 is slightly heavier than older models. However, its even weight distribution makes it manageable to carry. The upgraded folding mechanism, featuring a double latch system, simplifies the process of folding and unfolding, making it convenient for commuters who may need to carry the scooter upstairs or onto public transport. While the G4 doesn't have a dedicated suspension system, the large tires compensate by absorbing shocks from minor bumps. It's a trade-off, but one that works well for the scooter's design and price point. The built-in safety lock with a retractable cord is a unique feature, adding an extra layer of security for those quick stops during errands. The ease of setting a personal combination adds to its appeal. Priced at $444 with 11% off, the G4 offers incredible value. It hits the sweet spot of affordability, performance, and features. The Gotrax G4 is a compelling choice for anyone looking to invest in a reliable, feature-rich electric scooter under $500. Its combination of performance, build quality, and thoughtful features like the security lock and digital PIN system make it a standout in its category. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring city streets, the Gotrax G4 delivers on its promise of a premium experience at an affordable price. For those considering the G4, I recommend investing in additional safety gear, like a high-quality helmet like the Retrospect Dakota helmet and reflective clothing for night rides. Safety should always be a top priority. For an enhanced experience, consider pairing your Gotrax G4 with Gotrax's range of accessories. From sleek carrying bags to extra chargers, these add-ons ensure you get the most out of your scooter's capabilities. The Gotrax G4 isn't just a scooter. It's a smart investment for the urban commuter. With its blend of performance, safety, and convenience, it's clear why it's a top contender in its price range. Interested in experiencing the smooth ride and powerful performance of the Gotrax G4 for yourself? It's easy to take the next step. Simply scan the QR code displayed on your screen now, or click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to where you can learn more about the scooter, explore its features in depth, and make your purchase. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your daily commute with the Gotrax G4 electric scooter.